be superstars. We've been rather wrecking car. What is at stake for us? Kicking up on the road. Yeah, we could be superstars. So the pretty sure time is up. So we fell off the spinning tops. Don't know, maybe punch
Alright, so in the last video you seen that the exhaust was tripping. I put it back up, and yesterday I took it out and I did a full-blown pull, and boom, it went right back down. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to get in here, and I'm going to I'm looking for something right now, but I'm getting ready to do the exhaust because I have something to do today. So I'm gonna turn around and do the exhaust here in a minute. It's cold, so I'm gonna go find my other jacket. And yeah, about to get this exhausted, then test drive it. Actually, she's supposed to be taking it to the shop tomorrow to get it done, or all the way tightened up tomorrow. So yeah, but I got a 20-minute drive across town that I gotta make today, or I'm gonna have to reschedule for tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch y'all after I do this test drive. Yitty. So I got the exhaust back on. I actually know how I must do this exhaust. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm getting the mount for the car, so stay tuned. Definitely ain't about to work. Alright, so I guess it's the first drive video. We about to test, see if this exhaust holds up. It actually held up for the most part yesterday until I tried to race the TRX. So we gonna see. We gonna go to the store real quick, and I gotta get my power steering. Plan on doing nothing crazy or anything like that. Woo! That sun though. So good. So far, so good. Sorry if the camera's a little jumpy. I gotta get the actual sticky sticker so I can really put y'all up there real good. Woo, the sun. New windshield with the tint coming soon. Jeez. Again, bruh. We gonna see each other again. Just know I'll be right back. Alright, so we back. Time to go get some petrol. Time to go get some petrol. I know, at a gas station, leaving the gas station. And I've been getting over some type of sickness. I think I just had a good cold. That ain't been good. I've been down, out, I've been sick. Not gonna be alright is these gas prices though, bro. What the is going on? Like, yo. So me saying that, gas prices, you feel me? I don't want to give you too much on this build, not right now at least. But just know it's gonna be something unique. So that's all I'm gonna say. Catch you out there. Get some gas. Well, at least that got me a half tank. It's very, very cold. Turn this heat up a little bit. What's going on with my second gear, but it don't be wanting to go. But that is also part. Alright, so I haven't really gave y'all a breakdown. This is a swapped. This car was originally manual, and it's originally stick shift. So yeah, it still has the auto harness, so certain things is all, but I'm getting everything. I'm gonna button up everything. So up everything. Like, that's why I had to lock out. Like, when I put it in reverse. You guys noticed that yet? That's why it's sometimes like hard to get it in here. or out of gear. Cause I've been sick. I've been sick. But yeah, so that's that. So I gotta look and see how this exhaust held up. If it held up like I needed to hold up, we gonna be taking ourselves across town, and y'all probably get that video. So, yeah, let me check this out, and then see what's next. Because if it works out and checks out, gotta get dressed. So, I don't want to roll up the street. So, I'll catch y'all in a minute. So everything held up like I needed it to. Got gas. So, yep. I still got about maybe an hour and a half to get ready. More or less an hour to get dressed. So, as I'm trying to make it there early. Make it there early and back early. So I know tomorrow I ain't got to really do nothing but go get this exhaust tightened up. So with that being said, your boy about to go get ready. Hey y'all, I ain't did a transition in a long time, so I'll go ahead and y'all with a transition. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't showed you yet. I am not just regular haircut. I do got waves. But yeah, so here we are, like an hour later, getting ready to hit this road. So I'm going for a job. So how about this? I'll just give y'all a ride when we get back. Cause I gotta get there mentally, and I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get there. So let me get there. Ouch. And I'll let you guys know after I get done. Eat it. So yeah, that's how we sounding. Straight pipe. Just for right now. Got a little chop to it. Let me find out my little got a little choppy chop. But yeah, we gonna take a little ride and a little bit and finish out this video. I gotta go in here and edit this other video, drop that video for today, and then this video will be tomorrow, and then we're gonna be doing something again tomorrow. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bells, and thank you for rocking with me today. It is I Am Avante signing out.